In this video, I'll detail how to change Siri voice on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to change the Siri voice from whatever it is to a new one, like when you say, "Hey Siri, what's the time like?"
It's 8:35.
You see that? Now, if you want to change this particular voice on your Siri, on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change Siri voice on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown once. Now, while on the app screen, click on Settings, then scroll down like this, and then click on Siri. Once you selected that, scroll down, locate Siri voice and click on that. Then here you have access to all available voices on Siri. So here I have American. Under American, I have 5 voices available. Then you can choose between them.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So just go ahead and select the voice, the Siri voice you want to use. Then once you selected that, you should see waiting to download. Download will occur when your watch is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Now, just go ahead now and connect your Apple Watch to Wi-Fi and then connect to your charger. Then you should see the new Siri voice downloaded and installed on your Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily change Siri voice on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.